Had 21 points and 2 assists. 14 on the shot clock. Here's the step back jumper. Got it! Kieffer Alas by Mejia. Diaz finds Ugaddan, drives along the baseline. Tough attempt, and he still got it to go! Andrei Ugaddan.
So ayun na nga mga ka-sports, Kieffer Alas versus Andrei Ugaddan. Napakagandang matchup ito mga ka-sports dahil isa sa mga Gilas star at Gilas prospect ang dalawang player na ito. Halika tignan natin mga ka-sports ang ilang mga highlights sa kanilang laro.
Is San Juan, now to Ashton Lago, who posts up, puts it up against Lorenzo. Thus Ashton, they lost in the final. Not a huge margin, about fewer than 10 points. 5 on the shot clock. Here's the flip. He had 21 points and 2 assists. 14 on the shot clock. Here's the step back jumper. Got it! Kieffer Alas, SM Super Bowl, in the SM Mall of Asia Arena, Molten, Playtime Entertainment, the Philippine Sports Commission, and the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. Podador by Mejia. Diaz finds Ugaddan, drives along the baseline. Tough attempt, and he still got it to go! Andrei Ugaddan is Alas. Over Sharma, off the glass it in. Up for San Beda. Here's the drive, the layup, open and good. Para dito kay Dwayne Nonato. Stumbles, and Alas with a steal. Bounce pass, Sharma with the foul. Against Urbana Studios and better. Great defense here. Wagan is inside. Sacro line. Ugaddan is really being locked down there. Inside, the score from Mejia. Here's the drive, Ugaddan. Got it, plus the foul. Here's another opportunity. Ugaddan the pass, the jumper. Yes! Here's a long one. Wagan could not make it. Offensive rebound, scores inside from Jude Javier. Make opportunity now para sa San Beda. Drives, lefty layup is good. San Juan. Alas drives to the basket. Plus the foul as Christian High, and then he changed to Utah Prep. 1 on the shot clock. Here's the lefty three. Splash for San Juan. Alas, bounce pass. Here's Lorenzo, turnaround, reverse layup. Sharma over to Alas, 10 on the shot clock. Under a minute to go in this eventful first half, and there's a big three. Alas, fake, fire, and it rattles home. La Rosa, Diaz, Ugaddan, and Ugaddan scores inside. The other guy was San Juan. That completes the 5. Para dito sa Phenom Blue Fire, Sharma, Podador, Lorenzo, Alas, and Williams. Ugaddan carrying this offense for San Beda. It's a free throw. Timeout. Sharma tracked down the rebound, and now here's Elijah Williams. Drives to the basket, lays up with the left. Alas. Eyeball to eyeball against Diaz. He's now being double teamed. Drives to the basket. Scores anyway. It now to Diaz. Open for three. Lets it fly and it hits. Alas facing a double team. Now one-on-one coverage. He answers back. Lorenzo. Dribble handoff patungo dito kay Alas, who launches and fires. Hits the three. Here's a pull-up J. Knocked down by... But it seems that his teammates will be headed to Division 2 when the loser will be Division 3. But that's a miss. Tauber inside San Buenaventura score. Off with 20 of his own in the scoring column and 4 rebounds. 68 seconds to play. It is a 9-point game. Tense times here. Williams. Over to Velasquez. Wisely killing the clock. Here's the drive. Puts it up. Yes! Against Diaz. Here's Alas. Or Division 3.
At kung nagustuhan mo mga ka-sports ang highlights na ito, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mundo ng basketball world. Laban Pilipinas, puso, so paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball, habang nanonood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan, and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!